Let us understand what the game is about. In this game, a word randomly would be selected from the given list, and the player has to type the word. After submission, how much time a user required to type the word is displayed. The player can play the game for an infinite time. If the player quits the game, a message will be displayed that he or she quit the game. First, import the necessary libraries. We have imported Tkinter, as the game requires GUI to interact with the player. To calculate the time required by the player to type the word, we need a timeIt method. It is used to get the execution time taken for the small code given. It is a useful method that helps in checking the performance of the code. We also want a message box to be displayed if the player quits the game. We will import the random library to display any word to the user. We need to create a GUI to start the game. The output of GUI is given below. A label will be displayed on the window, telling the player that game has started, and he or she needs to click on the play button. By using the button method, we will put the play button on the second row, the second column. After clicking the play button, the game function will be invoked, which will perform the operations according to the user choice. All the buttons used in this game will have a background color like gray. In the end, we will put the main loop method so that the window will be screened until the play button is clicked. We will use a variable x and assign the value as 0. After entering into the game function, the first window which is opened will be destroyed, and the value of x will be incremented to 1. Declare a list of words, and put the words of your choice. A random function will be used to choose a random number from 0 to a number less than the length of the list. Now the timer will start and a new window will be displayed. The new window will have the word chose randomly from the list. In the next row, a text or label will be displayed as type the given word in the field box. A field box will be provided for the player to type the word. In the third row, we will see 3 buttons like Submit, Try Again and Quit. In the end, we will have main loop method where the new window will be displayed until the player quits the game. Let us understand the check, clear and quit function. The submit button invokes the check function, which examines whether the word typed is exactly the same as the word suggested by the game. If the condition is true, the timer of the game will stop, and time in seconds will be displayed. Try Again button will invoke the clear function which will destroy the current window, and the control of the program will go to game function again. Quit function will display a message box saying that the game is over. I hope you all liked the video. Subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, and follow us on Instagram. Till then, take care and have a good day.